When you think about yoga, the first image that often comes to mind is one of serene poses, tranquil breathing, and a calm mind. But let's be real for a moment. Does yoga really help you lose weight? It's a question that lingers in the minds of many, especially those who are looking for a holistic approach to fitness. The truth is, yoga can indeed aid in weight loss, but it's not the only piece of the puzzle. It's about balance, commitment, and understanding how different styles of yoga can impact your body. First, let's talk about the physical aspect. Certain styles of yoga, like vinyasa or power yoga, are more dynamic and can elevate your heart rate. These practices involve flowing from one pose to another, which can burn calories and build muscle. You're not just stretching, you're engaging your entire body. The more muscle you have, the more calories you burn, even at rest. So, if you're looking for a workout that gets your heart pumping while still centering your mind, these styles might be your best bet. Next up, we have the classic sun salutation. This sequence is a staple in many yoga practices and is fantastic for warming up the body. It combines forward bends, back bends, and lunges, engaging multiple muscle groups. It's a full-body workout that can increase flexibility while also torching calories. If you do it repeatedly, you'll feel the burn, and that's a good sign that your body is working hard. Then there's the Warrior series. Warrior I, II, and III are not just about strength. They also improve balance and stability. Holding these poses requires focus and endurance, and they engage your core, legs, and arms. The longer you hold them, the more you challenge your muscles, which can lead to increased calorie expenditure. Plus, they instill a sense of empowerment, making you feel strong and capable. Let's not forget about the bridge pose. This one is often overlooked, but is incredibly effective. It strengthens the glutes and hamstrings while opening up the hips. A strong posterior chain is essential for overall body strength and can help improve your metabolism. Finally, we have the plank pose. It's a simple yet powerful exercise that engages your entire body. Holding a plank not only builds core strength, but also boosts your endurance. It's a reminder that sometimes the simplest movements can yield the most significant results. So, does yoga help you lose weight? Yes, it can, especially when combined with mindful eating and a balanced lifestyle. It's not just about the physical, it's about cultivating a mindset that embraces health and well-being. Yoga teaches us to listen to our bodies, to honor our limits, and to celebrate our progress, no matter how small. And in that journey, weight loss can be a natural byproduct.